Hello friends, good evening to all. Welcome back to my channel, Belagali's class. Belagali's class. Yes, my friends, in the previous video class, started with objective type questions or 1-mark questions in quadratic equations, my friends. Already, I think I might have done nearly 1 dozen examples on objective, including 1-mark questions, even more also. I want to do a few more examples of objective 1-mark. Finally, I do some 3 or 4 IIT level examples. Yes, my friends. This is the first question, the beginning question. These two are beginning basic questions, my friends. See. Which one of the following, these 4 A, B, C, D, which one of the following is not a quadratic equation? My friends, a quadratic equation is playing here, dancing here in front of you. Quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then what is it? My friends, it is all understood. Another is here. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, b comma c are real numbers, my friends. Means the highest power of x or the highest degree of x must be 2. Not more than 2, not less than 2. Less than 2 is 1, it is a linear. More than 2, cubic, biquadratic, like that, my friends. Yes, what you have to check here? Not quadratic, it should not contain square terms. Maybe power of x is 1, even maybe power of x is other than 2, 1 or more than 2, look at this, my friends. You are making a square here. This is x square, this is x square plus 4x plus 4. What is this, my friend? Minus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Tell. It is what? X square plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. This x square doesn't cancel. Then it is not a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Coming to the second, see. My friend, if you wanted, I will write in detail this. What is it? It is minus 1 with, this is minus 1. Minus 6x with minus is plus 6x. Plus 9x square with minus is minus 9x square. See, my friends, you are bringing this side. Already x square is there. With this, it gives what, my friend? 10x square. It gives 10x square. Second, this is b. It gives 10x square. And you have what? Remaining, what is this? Plus 3x minus 6x. You have minus 3x. What is this? This minus 1, taking this side, it becomes plus 1. See, my friend. Again, x square term is there. What is this? B is also quadratic equation. Coming to this, see, what is this, my friend? This is x square plus 2x minus x plus x. Then plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 equal. This side is what? X square minus 2x plus 3. This x square, my friends, cancels. Minus 3. This x square cancels from both sides. Then what is the power of x? Plus x minus 2x is 3x. You have minus 2 plus 3, taking this side. Minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1. What is this? It is not a quadratic, it is a linear equation. It is not quadratic. Then this is your answer. This is not quadratic, it is linear equation. What is your answer? You wanted this. This is quadratic because it contains x square. This is quadratic, it contains x square. This where x square cancels, it doesn't contain your x square term, then it is a linear equation but not quadratic. This is not quadratic. Not quadratic, my friends. See here in this case, what is the expansion of x plus 1 the whole cube? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. My friend, this x cube cancels. If you take this minus x square this side, it becomes what? 4x square. 4x square means it contains x square term, then it is also what? Quadratic. This is quadratic, this is quadratic, and it is also quadratic, my friend. Then third option, which is C, as x square cancels, it doesn't contain what? X square term, and hence it is not a quadratic equation. Yes, my friends, this is the solution for this. Clear? That will be the second example. Read it. Which one of the following is a quadratic equation? Which one of the following is a quadratic equation? Quadratic equation means it must contain x square term. Equation which contains x square term is quadratic. See, my friend, here. If you expand this square, it is minus 8x plus x square plus 3 if you expand it. Then, my friend, this x square cancels. When x square cancels, there is no x square term. It is not quadratic. I hope understood, my friend. X square cancels with x square. Then you have an expression that contains x terms. What is it? If you bring this side, 2x minus 8x is plus 10x. Plus 1. If you bring this side, minus 19 minus 18 equal to 0. Yes, my friend, it is linear equation. Linear. Coming to this, directly you are cancelling what? X square. There is no x square, means what is this? It is also linear equation. Coming to this, x is minus 1. It is minus 1 plus 1 into x square means what? Elimination of x square itself. You are getting 3 by 2x minus 7 equal to 0. So, you contain what? It is 0. 0 into x square means it is 0. Plus this minus 7. Once again it is linear. It is linear. It is not quadratic. It is not quadratic. It is also not quadratic. It is quadratic. Why tell? You are writing the expansion of this. X cube minus 3x square. Alternative sign change plus 3x minus 1. Alternative sign change. X cube cancels, my friends. Bringing this side, minus x square plus 3x square, it is 2x square. Minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Tell, my friend. It contains quadratic. It is a quadratic equation. Therefore, which option is correct answer? Option D is correct answer. In this case, my friend, which is the correct answer? Answer is C. C is the correct answer there. D is the correct answer. Like this, sometimes, my friends, one mark question or objective type, they may go for what? The basic questions. Basic. We have studied in 10.1 exercise. Check whether which is the quadratic equation. 10.1 exercise. Based on this, my friends, these two questions. Then, this is a 1 mark question. These are objective type. These two are objective type. Then there is 1 mark question based on this, my friend. 1 mark question based on this. This is 1 mark. Write x upon x plus 1 by x equal to 0 in the form of quadratic equation. in the form of quadratic equation. My friends, this 2020, this year 2020 contains example of this type. Example of this type. Yes, my friend, you have to simplify this. You have to do the cross multiplication. This is given equation plus 1 by x equal to 0. Multiply both sides to do the cross multiplication. X into x is x squared plus 1 into x plus 1. If you bring down to this, it is 0. Down to RHS. So what is it, my friend? X squared plus x plus 1 equal to 0. What is it? It is a quadratic equation. Why? Power of x is 2. Quadratic equation. Like this, my friends, either in the form of objective or in the form of 1 mark questions. And they give such examples. Yes, my friend. Yes. Next example. This is the fourth example. Which constant should be added and subtracted to the equation, to the quadratic equation 4x squared minus root 3 into x minus 5 equal to 0 by the method of completing the square. Yes, my friend. This is the first option, A. 9 by 16. Second option is B. 3 by 16. Third option, 3 by 4. Fourth option is root 3 by 4. This way I've done where 10.2 exercise. What is that? Solution of the quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. We have to, the method for this. Friend, this is your given equation. It is 4x squared minus root 3 into x. It is minus 5 equal to 0. Yes, what is the method? 4x squared minus root 3 into x equal to, that constant you must shift to the RHS. Then, to make a perfect square, add to both sides. What is it? 1 by 2 into coefficient of x. 1 by 2 times the coefficient of x, the whole square. What is this? It is 1 by 2 into, what is coefficient of x is root 3 whole square. What is this? It is 3 by 4. Therefore, to make it a square, you are adding and subtracting what? 3 by 4. Or you are adding both sides 3 by 4. Anything. Add 3 by 4 both sides. Or if it is only one side, this side, my friend, at that time you have to add and subtract. See here, this is 4x squared minus root 3 into x. You have to add this, my friend. What is this? This is root 3 by 2 the whole square. Subtract the same. Root 3 by 2 the whole square. This minus 5 is there. Now, what is this tell? It is 2x whole square. 2x whole square. Then the remaining steps are not necessary. We want the answer. What is the answer? 3 by 4. Then which option is the correct answer? Option 3 is the correct answer. We wanted only the option. We don't want the rest of the solutions. No, only that answer we wanted, which is 3 by 4, my friend. 3 by 4. Next one. Next one. Yes, my friend, we have done one mistake. What is the mistake? While writing this step, you must see that coefficient of x square must be 1. That we have not done here. Yes, that you must do. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. See, my friends, the mistakes. This gives, writing this step, coefficient of x square must be 1. So it is x square minus root 3 by 4 into x minus 5 by 4 equal to 10. What is your coefficient of x now? It is root 3 by 4 the whole square. Root 3 by 4 the whole square. Whole square. Half into root 3 by 2 the whole square. What is it? What is it? Tell. This is 3 square. 3 square. Yes, my friend. Okay. I will do one correction. Then I keep it as it is. Otherwise, I have to make this 2. This is 2. Then it is 2. It is what? Root 3 by 2. 3. 2 into 2, 4. Whole square must be 16. Yes, my friend. What is this? It is root 3 by 4 the whole square. What is this? Root 3 by 4 the whole square. Then it is 3 by 16. Answer is not C. Answer is not C. It is B. See, friends, such examples they will give, my friends. You must take care. You must divide by the coefficient of x square, which is 2. Which is 2. Yes, my friend. Which is 2. This is what? Minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Remember, my friends. Remember. It is also what? Exercise 10.2. One of such examples they make you. Which term can be added and subtracted to make it a perfect square? To make it a perfect square. Yes, my friends. Next question is, I hope it is clear. See, little confusion with what? Options with this. Here, I was taken 4, here I was written, but it is not 4, it is 2. Then you have to divide by 2 to make what? Coefficient of x square 1. Then, to make it a perfect square, half the coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? Root 3 by 2. So it is root 3 by 4 square, 3 by 16. You have to add and subtract. 3 by 16. B is the answer. B is the answer. Yes, friend. Next question. Next question. Next question. Which of the following equation? This is 4th or 5th example. Which of the following? Which of the following equation has some of its roots are 3. A, first one. This is 2x square minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. Second, B. This is minus x square plus 3x minus 3 equal to 0. C is root 2 into x square minus root 3 by 2 into x plus 1 equal to 0. D is 3x square minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Yes, my friends. If alpha and beta are the roots, of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then sum of the roots alpha plus beta is minus b by a. You know this relation. Yes, my friend. In case of A, what is the sum? Alpha plus beta, C. Minus a by b, minus of minus 3 by 2. It is not 3. You wanted what? The sum must be 3. No. It is not. Then B, my friend. What is B? Sum of the roots equal to. It is minus B by A minus 3. A is minus 1 equal to 3. This is the answer. What about C, my friend? This sum equal to B by A minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. Minus of minus root 3 by 2 upon A. No, it is also not. Then last one, which is D. What is it? Sum equal to minus of minus 3 upon A is 3. What is it? It is 1. It is also not the root. Then which is the answer? B is the answer, my friends. Option B is the answer. B is the answer. Yes, my friend. Next question is, yes, if half is the root of the equation x square plus kx minus 5 by 4 equal to 0, then the value of k is dash. These are the options. First option is 0. Second option is, this is not 0. First option is 2. Second option is -2. Third option is 1/2. Fourth option is, it is 1/4. 1/4. I have done in the morning examples in finding the value of an unknown. If the roots of a quadratic equation are equal, then find the value of k. I have done. When the roots are equal, discriminant d is 0. Based on this, I have done some examples to find the value of unknown k. I have done. This is slightly different. What is given? This is given one root of this equation. When x equal to 1/2 is a root, it will satisfy the equation. Then you have to put x equal to 1/2, get the value of x. Yes, my friend. See what is given. X equal to 1/2 is the first root. It is given. Therefore, put x equal to 1/2 in the given equation. What is the given equation, my friends? It is x square plus kx minus 5/4 equal to 0. Yes, put x equal to 1/2. 1/4 plus k into 1/2 minus 5/4 equal to 0. Shift that side. So this is k/2 or 1/2 into k equal to minus becomes plus. Plus becomes minus 1/4. What is this? LCM 4. 4 upon 4 means it is 1. Therefore, half k is 1. Then what is the value of k? Equal to 1 into 1/2 becomes 2/1. Then what is the answer, my friend? K equal to 2. Then which option is the correct answer? First option is the correct answer. But it is in this the examiner wanted whether the students, when 1 is a root means what? It is a root only when it will satisfy the equation. Otherwise, it is not a root. What do you mean by satisfy? You have to put x equal to that corresponding value. Is it correct? When the friend examiner is said it is a root, you are very much what? You can put the value of x as what? 1/2 in the equation. You get the value of k as 2. First option is the answer. Yes, my friend. Next option. Right. Next example is. I hope copied. Yes. Next example is. It is appeared in the question paper 2019, March 2019. The product of two consecutive positive integers. Two consecutive positive integers is 30. This can be expressed. This can be expressed algebraically. As, yes, my friend, first option A, x into x plus 2 equal to 30. B, x into x minus 2 is 30. C. X into x minus 3 is 30. Fourth option D. It is x into x plus 1 equal to 30. Through this example, my friends, examiner wanted what you mean by consecutive positive integers. The word consecutive. What is consecutive? One after the other. If x, what is the next one? X plus 1. Then this is your answer. This is not consecutive, this is not consecutive, this is not consecutive. Yes, my friends. Even instead of this, the friend may give, if x is 1, what is its next consecutive? Not next, previous. X minus 1 and x are consecutive terms. Even to confuse, they may give this also. X into x minus 1. If they give like this, you can understand it. They never give like this. They may give this is x into x minus 1. But if they give this, it is wrong. Fine. Consecutive means what? The next must be greater than the previous. Next must be greater than the previous. No, it is wrong. What is this? X is the greater than x minus 1. This way of writing is correct, but not this. But in this case, x and x plus 1 are two consecutive terms. Its product, my friends, product is 30. Product is 30. This is the option. This is the option. Yes, my friends. Next I do some 3 or 4 questions, little bit higher side of these examples. Little bit higher side. Yes, my friends, higher side. Now I will remove it. Anyway, these are object to type. Yes, friends. First question is if the quadratic equation, b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b equal to 0 has equal roots, then they may give 4 options, but sometimes they give what? Then prove 2b equal to a plus c. Otherwise, the same thing they may give as an option. Then prove 2b equal to a plus c. 2b equal to a plus c. See, my friend, it is a good question. I can name this for what? JW. I can name this as for JW. Yes, my friend. What is given? This equation has equal roots. Roots are equal. Directly you may use what? Condition. When the roots are equal, what is the condition? D equal to 0. What is D? Discriminant. What is it? B square minus 4AC equal to 0. B square minus 4AC equal to 0. This is B square minus 4AC equal to 0. Simplifying, you can get this. But in this case, there is one advantage. Tell what is the advantage? If you put x equal to 1, in LHS, you get LHS equal to, see my friend, it is b minus c into 1, x is 1, plus c minus a into x is 1, plus a minus b. C. Minus b cancels with plus c with minus c, minus c with plus c, it gives what? 0 is RHS. C. 0 is RHS. Then you get what? LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS implies what? X equal to 1 is a root or is first root. X equal to 1 is the first root. Why? Get LHS equal to RHS. But what is given? Roots are equal. Given roots are equal. Roots are equal. Implies roots are 1 and 1. Why? Equal. Already you know one root, it is the second root. Therefore, roots are 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. Roots are 1 comma 1. Yes, my friend. Now, product of the roots. Product of roots. See, what is it? C by A. I take here not this small letters, capital letters. C by A. C by A. Then what is the product of the roots? 1 into 1 equal to C, constant term A minus B. Down A, B minus C. My friend, this gives 1 equal to A minus B upon B minus C. Simplify. B minus C equal to A minus B. Bring B minus B becomes plus equal to A plus C. What is it? 2B equal to A plus C. This way it gives what? It saves your time. Not necessary to write all these things 5. If you put x equal to 1 here, this is 1. B minus B minus C plus C minus A plus C. Directly you can verify this. Directly you get what? 0. When it is 0, directly you can write what? X equal to 1 is the root. But roots are equal. First and second roots both are 1, 1. Product of the roots. C by A. C by A. This directly simplification gives what? Answer. It is one of the good question, my friends. One of the good question. Next is the same question, they make you with options. This is one option. What is the second option? 2A equal to B plus C. Third option, 2C equal to A plus B. And fourth option is, it is 2 by B equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. Like this, they may give the options. This will be your correct option. Yes, my friend. Next question is yes. Next question is this. If the roots of the quadratic equation, A square plus B square into X square plus 2 times BC minus AD into X plus C square plus D square equal to 0 has equal roots, then prove has equal roots, then prove AC plus BD equal to 0. If they convert this into 4 options, they may give AC plus BD, AD plus BC, like that. They construct what? 4 options. It is also one of the good question. I have done one after the other. See, what is your verification here? If you put x equal to 1, no, it is not 0. See, A square, there is no A square, it doesn't cancel. Then, in this case, equal to 0 means you have to go for what? Discriminant is 0. Roots are equal. My friends, this implies discriminant D equal to 0. What is that? Square of this term B square, square of this term 4 into BC minus AD the whole square minus 4 AC first term into last term. Yes, my friends, I hope correct. In this case, the method is different. Why? Here, if you put x equal to 1, you never get what? LHS equal to RHS, no 0. Then you have to go for what? That result is dancing there. Even I have marked it as what? Star there. If D equal to 0, roots are equal. If roots are equal, that value D equal to 0. I have done in the morning also. Some examples. Yes, my friends. This is B, A, C. B square, square of this, 4 into square of this, minus 4 AC equal to 0. You have to just simplify and get it. Yes, my friend. You can cancel 4, this 4, why tell? 4 common, if you send that side, 0 by 4 is 4. Then square it. B square, C square, minus 2 times BC into AD, 2 times BC into AD, plus AD square, A square, D square. What is it? B minus C the whole square, otherwise you can say x minus y the whole square, x square minus 2xy plus y square. Then this, my friend, minus A square, C square, minus A square, D square, with this minus B square, C square, minus B square, D square equal to 0. Yes. What cancels, my friend? Plus B square, C square, minus B square, C square. It is plus A square, D square. It is minus A square, D square. Write the remaining. It is minus. It is minus. It is also minus. All the signs are minus. I write this first. Minus A squared C square. Then I write this. Minus 2 ABCD. ABCD. Plus B square. No, it is also minus. Minus B square D square equal to 0. Remaining I have written, my friend, minus A square D square, minus 2 ABCD, minus B square D square equal to 0. Change the sign. It is what? A square C square, minus 2 times, I write it as what? AC, this. AC. Write the remaining. What is the remaining? BD. What is this? Minus changes to plus. B square D square can be written as what? BD the whole square equal to 0. See, my friend, what is this? X square minus 2xy. What is this? Plus y square. X square minus 2xy plus y square is x minus y the whole square, this term. What is your x? AC minus y BD whole square. Each 0. 0. Okay, taking the square root. AC minus BD equal to 0. My friend, I have done again one mistake. This sign you must change. Minus is plus, minus is plus, minus is plus. If it is plus, it becomes what? AC plus BD the whole square. Therefore, AC plus BD equal to 0, which is that given option, my friend. This option. Oh, understood. It is also what? One of the good question. Even I will name, it is also a little IIT level question. IIT level question. Yes, my friend. Third example. Yes, my friends. Third example. If one root of the equation if one root if one root of the equation means quadratic equation. Quadratic equation a into b minus c into x squared plus b into c minus a into x plus c into a minus b equal to 0 is 1. One root is 1, my friend, is 1. Then the other root is other root is dash. Now, my friends, these are the options. First option, b into c minus a, denominator a into b minus c. This is first option. Second option, a into b minus c. Down is c into a minus b. This is third option, a into b minus c. Denominator is b into c minus c. Fourth option, D. It is c into a minus b. Down is a into b minus c. B minus c. These are four options. Read the example. If one root of this equation is 1, one root is given. We wanted what? The other root. Yes, my friends, see here. If you put x equal to 1, it will satisfy. Plus AB, minus AB, minus AC, plus AC. When you write in a cyclic, my friends, so that will satisfy. You get RHS. Then what you have to do? You wanted to find the second root. Looks big, my friends. Sometimes looking at these options, the students hate such examples. Why? Looking at the options. Otherwise, it is simple example. Go with the method. One is the first root. You can name it. First root. Let I take beta itself. Beta is the second root. Means here alpha is 1. Second root. Then product of the roots, my friends. Product of the roots is given as this is 1 into beta equal to c by a. What is c by a? This constant c into a minus b upon a, coefficient of x square, a into b minus c. Beta, what is your beta? This is the other root. Therefore, other root equal to, no need to write this. Already you have the answer marked. Other root equal to c into a minus b. It is a into b minus c. 10. Which option is the correct answer? Option D is the answer. See, in one step you can get the answer. One step. This is D is the answer. This is how, my friends. They are simple, but what? Appearance, look is very lengthy. Even options look is also what? Very bad. In such cases, if you go with the method, yes, what is the method? one root. What is second root? Beta. What is the product of the roots? This directly you can get the answer. Direct answer. Yes, my friends. Next one is copy it, my friend. Next one is in the equation. In the equation, x into x minus 1 minus m plus 1 denominator x minus 1 into m minus 1 equal to x by m. This is a given equation. It is quadratic. I tell my friend x into x is x squared. It contains x squared term. It is quadratic. Yes, x by m. The roots are equal. In the equation, the roots are equal. Then the value of m equal to is dash. And these are the options. First, a 1 by 2, b minus 1 by 2, c 0, d is 1. These are the options. Read the example. In the equation, that is the equation, my friends. This is the equation. In this equation, its roots are equal. Then the value of m is, these are the 4 options. Yes, my friend. Roots are equal means discriminant is 0. Discriminant is 0 means you must express the given equation in the form of what? Quadratic. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The only secret of this example is what? You must simplify this and express in the form of what? Ax square plus bx plus c. Yes, my friend. By cross multiplication, we get, yes, take that m into I write here. It is x into x minus 1 minus m plus 1 x into this. You take this that side equal to RHS is x into this. It is x minus 1 into m minus 1. Yes, my friend. This you have to simplify. This is m into x square minus x minus m minus 1 equal to, what is this? It is x square minus x into m minus 1. Further simplifying, m into x square minus mx minus m square minus m minus m square minus m equal to, this is m into x square, m into x square, 12, m into x square minus x square minus m into x or x into m minus x with minus 1 is plus x. My friends, I will explain once again. M into this numerator equal to RHS x into denominator, m into x square minus x minus m minus 1. What is this? X into x minus 1, x square minus x into m minus 1. Further, m into x square minus m into x minus m square minus 1 into m. This side, mx square minus x square minus m into x plus x. See, what cancels? Both sides common. What is this? Mx. What is this, my friend? Mx. Anything. No. Right. Right. This equal to. This equal to. This equal to. Right. Minus m square minus m minus x square plus x. Simplify, bring this side. It becomes x square minus m square. What is this? Minus m. This becomes minus x equal to 0. What are the factors? X minus m into x plus m. Minus is common. What is this? X plus m equal to 0. What is common? X plus m is common. And you have, it is what? X minus m minus 1 equal to 0. Oh, understood. X plus m, x plus m. X minus m, this taking out remains minus 1. Get the value of x from this, my friend. Therefore, either x plus m is 0 or x minus m minus 1 is 0. What is the value of x? Minus m, or x equal to what? M plus 1. M plus 1. But what is given? Roots are equal. These are the two roots. What are the two roots? Therefore, two roots are the values of x minus m and m plus 1. Two roots are, first is minus m, another is m plus 1. But what is given, my friends? Roots are equal. Given roots are equal. Therefore, this is what? Minus m equal to, another root is m plus 1. Yes, this side, that side, otherwise you bring. It is minus m is 1. What is this, my friend? It is minus 2m equal to 1. Then what is the value of m? It is minus 1 by 2. M is minus 1 by 2. Look at the option. This is the correct option. Minus half. Minus half. Like this, my friends, you have to simplify. You have to, it becomes what? Quadratic directly. Instead of going for what? B square minus 4ac. You have done with what? Factorization. Then this one. Even you can go with what? D equal to 0. You can get the value of, what? M. You can get the value of M. Yes. My friends, these are three equations of what? Three examples of what? Little higher side. Yes, my friends. These are some examples of JEE type. Okay. Anyway, you have many more examples of what? This type of the questions. This types of the questions. I have selected what? Two examples are normal. This example is slightly what? Different. It is slightly lengthy also. I felt like doing what? Sometimes you get what? Lengthy examples like this. Done, my friends. Yes, copy it. Anyway, my friends, I do one sample example of what? Last type. It is there in 10.4 exercise. I do one example of that type. for example. So copy. If you wanted cross multiplication, simplify. Further simplify. Cancellation. Remaining. You have a patience. You wanted, what are the roots, my friend? When there is a x, roots are nothing but values of x. You have to find the values of x. Yes, plus, minus, minus, minus. Yes, my friend. Factors. Minus is common, x plus m. X plus m is common. You are left x minus m minus 1 equal to 0. Now from this you find the values of x minus m plus 1. These are the two roots, my friends. These are the two roots. What is the condition? The roots are equal. Equate them. Roots are equal. Equate them. Minus 2m is 1. So m, the value of m is 1 by m is 1 by. Yes, my friends. The last example is. Yes. This type. Is it possible to design a rectangular part of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 square meter. If so, find the length and breadth. If so, find the length and breadth. Length and breadth. Yes, my friends. It is a rectangular part. This is a rectangular part. Yes, friend. You take its length is L, its breadth is B. Length, breadth. Perimeter is 80 given. Perimeter is 80. What is perimeter? 2 times L plus L, B plus B. It is 2L plus 2B is 80. Therefore, divide by 2. L plus B is 40. So, find the value of what? L. What is your L, my friend? 40 minus B. This is L. What is second condition? Area is given. Area is 400. Second, area is 400 meters. What is area? L into B. L into B is 400. But what is the value of L? 40 minus B into B equal to 400. Simplify. 40B minus B square equal to 400. Yes, take this side, my friend. Minus becomes plus. Plus becomes minus. You are taking this side, it is plus 400 only. Equal to 0. It is nothing but B the whole square minus 2 into B. 40 divided by 2 is what? 20. What is this? It is 20 the whole square equal to 0. This is nothing but b minus 20 the whole square is 0. This gives b minus 20 equal to 0. Therefore, what is the breadth, my friend? Breadth is 20. Breadth is 20. And what is L? Length. L is 40 minus b. 40 minus b, which is 40 minus 20, means it is 20. Therefore, what is the length? Length is 20 meters. And the breadth is also 20 meters. 20 meters. Instead of rectangular, what is the park is a square. Park is a square. Yes, my friends. You have in your textbook like this some 2-3 examples. Among the 2-3 examples, I have done one sample. One sample. If you want, you can do the other 2 examples, my friends. Other 2 examples. I will explain once again. You copy it. Yes, friends, is it possible to design a rectangular park? Its perimeter 80, its area 400. If so, find its length and breadth. A rectangular anyway, friend, is given length, breadth, perimeter L plus L, B plus B is this. Divide by 2. Get the value of L from this my equation. Then area, length into breadth is 400. You know the value of L. 40 minus B into B equal to 400. Simplify 40B minus B square equal to 400. Taking this side plus, taking this side minus, plus 400, my friend, this. B square minus 2AB plus B square. It is nothing but B minus 20 the whole square is 0. What is the value of B? B is 20, this is minus, my friend. Taking that side, B is 20. What is L? 40 minus 20, 20. So both are equal. When both are equal in a rectangle, that rectangle reduces to what? A square. Then park is square, square. Park is square. This is one sample of this kind I have done, my friends. Yes. This finishes quadratic equations, my friends. Quadratic equations. Almost all the varieties of the examples I have done. This finishes, I hope, the 4th chapter. Next, I will start with either coordinate geometry or any other than coordinate geometry. Yes, my friends. Copy. Okay. 1 minute. Here. Yes. Hope you have copied this. Yes, my friends. Once again, I will declare what finishes this quadratic equations. You know, lastly I've done some objective type 1 mark questions and even what, my friends, some IIT JE questions, IIT JE questions. And in the other video I have done what? Other objective and 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions. Yes, my friends. This finishes quadratic. We shall meet in the next video or next class with new chapter up to that. Bye. Namaste, Namaskara, Namaskara. Yes, my friends.